First, put on the safety equipment according to the machine's tag. Make sure the table saw is plugged in and proceed to connect the dust collector. Fix the tube on the back, open the blast gate, and turn the dust collector on. Pull the lever up to unlock the table and adjust it. At the same time, adjust the fence and lock it, putting down the grey cap. Once your table is set, lock it by putting down the black lever again. Set the blade guard up and spin the crank wheel to adjust the blade a bit higher than your wood piece. Put the blade guard down and turn on the table saw. Slowly bring the wood to the saw with the help of a push stick. Turn off the table and put it back in its place.